Morning pages, day 15. Halfway there. Got a new setup. I moved my computer where my laptop sits, and I put the phone against the wall. I think that will be better. I don't think it will fall down anymore. Since you've all been with, some of you, whoever's been watching these videos, may notice that I'm wearing the same t-shirts over and over again. These are my workout shirts. After this, I go to the gym. Today's leg day. This is my leg day shirt. I also typically do a ponytail for leg day because it's a lot of moving, and I don't know, it's a long day, so I do that. So this is my Tuesday version of me in the morning. I woke up, I don't know, a few hours ago, just couldn't really sleep. I feel like there's a lot coming up inside of me. I don't really know. There's just a lot moving through me, like I've been saying, and I'm just going to try to use these morning pages as a time to just examine that and try to move some of that energy out of me and let go whatever is stirring up inside of me. I've been reading that book about the shadow. Meeting the shadow. So reading this, if you're really reading it and fully trying to understand the work and incorporate the concepts into your, or integrate them into your being, I think it's a bit challenging at times. So maybe that's what's happening. I don't know. Either way, let's get these pages going. Today's July 4th. Happy 4th of July if you celebrate that. Maybe you all see some fireworks tonight. I might try to get on top of the roof of this house and sit up there and look up at the sky and see if I see any of the show. All right, here we go. Day 15. Hey, I should say that too. Day 15. Halfway through. It feels like I've been doing these pages forever. I just can't believe it's only 15 days, but halfway there. Some people have been doing them, so congratulations to you as well, wherever you're at in the process. The fact that you're just doing them is a win. So cool. Here we go, and going to begin. Alrighty. Page 1, page 2, page 3. That took me about 26 minutes. What I did today is I slowed down even more. The first 14 days, I was really rushing it, kind of, and I was getting kind of annoyed because the handwriting sometimes was getting so bad. It's like I couldn't even go back and read it if I wanted to. Not saying that I'm gonna do that, but today I really took my time with the cursive and the handwriting and kind of was in a better, more consistent flow with it all. And it felt good to take that extra time to really take my time writing and actually being able to read the words that I'm writing. It felt like one of the most powerful sessions I've had, just because I felt like I got down to some root cause of things that that I've been working through and working on, and it felt really good to do that. There was something else that popped into my head when I was writing it that I wanted to say at the end of this video, but now I can't remember. I started thinking about, there were times where there was a little bit of panic, maybe something where I was writing something and I didn't know what was going to come next. But then something always came. So when you're writing this way, when you're going stream of consciousness, and you're not worrying about the grammar of the text, or the grammar, the sentences, the structure, any of that stuff, and you just take that completely out, and you just completely give yourself over to it, it seems like words will just kind of pop into your head. And that's another thing I'm trying to get more in tune with, is just listening to whatever is going on internally, and I'm trying to just write in that free flow writing, just that free flow of creativity. So that was a good day. I felt really good about those pages, and yeah, day 15. So again, if you're doing this, congratulations wherever you're at. You don't have to be at 15 if you started whenever you started. I mean, that's the main thing. I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens as I progress throughout the rest of this little experiment of 30 days. I've been thinking that I'm going to continue doing the pages when I am after the 30 days. I don't think I'm going to record them, because recording the stuff and then editing it, not that there's a lot to edit, but it's still a process to take it from my phone and do it all and put it up on the thing. So I probably won't do it. I mean, I could just make this page an entire morning pages page, but there's other things I'd like to post. I'd like to start posting more quotes of writers. I'd like to even start maybe incorporating some stuff from like books like this and other things that I've been reading about writing, having discussions about things like the shadow, consciousness, spirituality. There's like some animal trying to get inside the house. I like to incorporate some of that stuff as well as like give a lot of writing, creativity knowledge out there. I got this book from John Cleese from Monty Python about creativity that I want to read and dissect and kind of pull from that. I have this Ray Bradbury book that I read on creativity, which I have tons of awesome quotes in there, things to post, all about unlocking creativity and giving all of you the power to be the best versions of yourselves that you could be, to write from a place of freedom rather than a place of being blocked. The people I've met in my life have been the most inspirational people, and then inspirational teachers are people who are just here to give you the knowledge. So that's what I'm trying to do here, just give you what I have to offer, and it's not for any gain of myself. I mean, it would be nice to maybe it's nice when you teach and you get paid and do all that sort of stuff, but I really like empowering people to empower themselves and especially creativity. I'm a weirdo creative person. I like really weird art that isn't locked into any specific sort of category. So I think entering these creative zones and letting the blocks of society, the blocks of everything, if you blast through all that and you get to really some interesting sort of art. And I realized I'm just I kind of think of myself, I work at an improv comedy theater, so it's nice to have a little home where you have some sort of say you have some, your energy there is helping people unlock, you're unlocking people in ways that allow them to be completely, to create at a deeper level. So I want to do the same with writing and same with other artists who maybe are creating stuff. It's just having this, like, creating a creative community of really weirdo people out there who want to get weird. So that's what I'm about. So thank you all. Enjoy your holiday. Blow some shit up, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.